Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Use 1 cup plain curd, 1 small cucumber, 5 inches, and 1 medium tomato, diced. These are the salad base that keeps the dish creamy without mayonnaise. Rinse and dry 2 cups mixed greens and thinly slice 1 small red onion so the leaves stay crisp and the onion does not overpower. Chop half a cup of cilantro and measure 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 1/2 teaspoons salt. Having measured ingredients speeds assembly and balances acidity, salt, and herbs evenly. Whisk 1 cup curd with 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 1/2 teaspoons salt until smooth. This forms the tangy, creamy dressing that coats the salad without oil. Add 1 teaspoon honey for sweetness, or 1/4 teaspoon sugar if you prefer less sweet, and include 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin for a warm note. Temper with 1 tablespoon cold water to reach a pourable consistency and adjust to taste. Taste for acidity and salt, and add up to 1/2 teaspoon extra lemon or a pinch more salt if needed. Toss 2 cups greens, diced cucumber, tomato, and red onion with the curd dressing gently to coat so leaves stay crisp and not soggy. Serve immediately for best texture. Top with half a cup toasted nuts or seeds for crunch and 1 tablespoon chopped mint if desired, and finish with a grind of black pepper or 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes for heat. Store leftover salad and dressing separately. Keep dressing in an airtight container up to 3 days, and the assembled salad for up to 24 hours in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.